Let me welcome in the channel Tech Manos. In this topic of today, I'll just discuss how you can get the free domain for your website. Previously, I had made a video how you can get the .xyz domain, but this domain extension offer is expired right now. So if you are watching this video, today is then, please do not type for .xyz domain because it's already expired. Okay, now they are launching you a free new domain extension, that is .ws domain, which I'll show in the screen. Okay, beside this, I have already created a video how you can get the free RDP server, free hosting, free domain, and many more. Okay, now let me go for the new tab of the website and reveal the website. It's nothing new because we are very friendly with this website and we have already got a lot of benefit from this website as well. Okay, so not only me, some people are there who are very frustrated because every time they submit for the free domain and free hosting, but they are getting the rejection at all. Okay, so because of this you are not getting the free domain and hosting and you claim that this website is a scam. At the beginning I thought that this website is a scam one. Okay, but previously while I just provide the multiple domain requests with the different names, IPs, then I have able to get the activation of the domain and hosting, RDP server as well. So because of that I had built a trust among this website. Okay, so it's about your luck and it's about your timing how you'll apply for this domain name. This website will definitely provide you the free domain. Okay, so here you can see that they are providing you the .ws domain. You can see in the screen as also there is 6 days left for the this domain extension to get in your pocket. Okay, so before that I want to say that only 320% are applicable to apply for this domain name and rest of the order will be cancelled automatically. So I do not suggest you to provide the multiple requests, because if you provide the multiple requests from the same IP, same name, then your chances is definitely at the zero level. So let me continue over here, but don't forget to click on the subscribe to get our latest update, because I'm going to reveal more website and more offer like this in time. Okay, just click on the free domain and you'll be redirected to for the next page where you can see on the menu bar section of this website as well as a domain. Okay, so same thing is over here. You will just get the .ws domain and you'll just get for the 320 people where you can search for the domain extension. Okay, as you can scroll down, there are some tasks which you need to fill up for getting this domain name, and if you do not fill up this domain you are unable to get this domain name. Okay, so basically complete this task and provide your domain name. Now let me provide the domain extension over here, Tech Manos, and will again provide the extension of this domain, so as WS, because this is the domain extension that they are providing for us. After that, let's check for the domain extension and you can see that it's available. We'll just go for the purchase. Once you just click on the purchase, then again you need to solve the reCAPTCHA in some cases, or you can just go for the search. Now after that it is available, we can add it to cart, and once it is added to cart we can just go for the checkout. Now in this page you can provide the name server of the website, which you can later edit also, or you can delete and add a new one also. Okay, along with this, hosting plan is there at the top of this domain name, and you can add for the free hosting provided by this website as well, but I do not suggest you to provide the free hosting right now. Also, there is a 1 year registration period for this domain name. It means that you are going to get the 1 year free domain extension for your website. Now to get the free domain extension, you need to go for the continue of this option. Okay, now to get the domain name you just click on the continue and it will redirect you for the next page. So this is the review and checkout page where you can see for the pricing of this domain. It's still $0.00 and this is the domain registration and this is our domain. Okay, just go for the checkout and again you will be on the billing page where you have to just provide the information. Well, you can see that I have already provided all the information and created the account on this website so that I can continue for the next page of the website. Okay, so for that, scroll down and go for the complete order. Okay, so my account has been successfully assigned over here, and I had successfully applied for the domain name, which you can see in the screen as well with the order confirmation. So if I got any problem regarding this domain name or ticket, then you can copy your order number and you can add a support or open ticket for the website to resolve the problem. Okay, but if you are just getting the rejection, if you are not getting the approval for the domain name, you are set as a fraud, then this has no solution, because this is just because of the giveaway. Only 320 selected people are getting this domain. Rest of this, I have already told you that how much order you will receive, all these order will be cancelled. Okay, now let me go for the continue to client area, and I am on the dashboard of the website, which you can see for the domain and services. Okay, so once you are over here, you can just look for the domain name. Here I had applied for the 2 domain, you can see in the screen. Do not do this, because if you do this from the same account, then obviously you will just get the rejection for this domain. So create a separate account with the separate name if you want to try with the multiple attempts, and don't keep the same IP as well. Okay, now both the domain are pending till now. I do not know that this website will provide this domain or not. I'll be lucky or not, because I'm making this video just to inform you that this website is providing you the free domain offer. Okay, so it's only 6 days left so that you are going to get the free domain name. So for that only you can apply during this period, and for that purpose only I have made a video for you. Okay, so it's only 6 days left for approval for this domain name. So if you will be lucky among the 320 people, then obviously you can get the domain. Try your luck, register on the website. I had also not got the approval for this domain yet. In the future, if you got one, please comment in the comment section below as well. While I'll also make a separate video regarding this topic, if this domain name will be applied and approved. So if it will be approved, I will create a free hosting videos as well, so that you can integrate on the free hosting plan and create a WordPress website, or if you want to create a blogging website as well. Okay, so in this way you can get the .ws domain offer from this website, which I have already shown you. You can just directly go for the freedomainnow.com, and this is the interface of this website. If you got any problem, you can go for the contact us and get support from them, while you can follow on the other social media platform and contact through them through the social media platform as well. Okay, so this is how you can get the free premium domain for blogging purpose with the .ws extension, which is top level domain. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel to get our latest update like this, so that you will not miss any update from us. Thanks for watching. Thank you.